The sound of screeching tires, the jolt of impact, the moments after a car accident are confusing. Your adrenaline is pumping and you're not thinking clearly. But what you do in these next few minutes is critical. I'm Sally from Sally Morin Law. We're an experienced all-woman personal injury firm right here in California. For years, we've helped thousands of people in serious traffic accidents just like yours recover 6 and even 7-figure settlements. We're known for our fierce, no BS approach because we believe your only job is to focus on healing. We handle the rest. Today, I'm giving you the 5 clear steps to protect yourself and your rights after an accident. First, and most importantly, safety. Assess for injuries on yourself and your passengers. If your car is drivable and you're on a busy road, move it to a safe shoulder, turn on your hazard lights, because your life and health are priority number 1. Second, call 911, even for what seems like a minor accident. A police report is an official, objective record of the incident, which is invaluable when dealing with insurance companies. They will document the scene, the parties involved, and any citations issued. Third, document everything. Your phone is your most powerful tool here. Take photos and videos of everything, the damage to both cars from multiple angles, the other driver's license plate, the surrounding area including street signs and traffic signals, any debris on the road, and any visible injuries you have. Fourth, exchange information. Get the other driver's name, address, phone number, driver's license number, and their insurance policy information. Provide yours as well. But, and this is critical, do not apologize or admit fault. Stick to the facts only, because saying I'm sorry can be used against you. Finally, step 5, seek medical attention. Even if you feel fine, adrenaline can mask serious injuries like whiplash or concussions. A medical record from a doctor or an urgent care visit creates a direct link between the accident and your injuries. Do not skip this. Following these steps builds a strong foundation for your case. But if you're feeling overwhelmed, you don't have to figure out what's next alone. Our team offers a 100% free case review. There are no strings attached. We'll listen to what happened, and if we think we can help, we'll tell you exactly how. Click the link in the description below to get started. Stay safe out there.